Hey! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to start by locating Clock app, and when you find it, clicking on it. Then select Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this green plus icon. From here you can set up an hour and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. Now manage vibrations by clicking on this sweater next to Vibrate. Click on Label your alarm however you wish to, and tap on OK. After that you need to click on Ringtone section and tap on the best melody for you to set it up, like bell. You can also select Silent and disable it completely. If you wish to, you can always click on Add New as well. Click on those two lines at the top left corner, select one of those sources, in my case Downloads, tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back. Now save your alarm by choosing Save over here. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to disable it, just click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and select Delete over here. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, you need to click on this gear icon at the top right corner. And over here, under Alarms, manage all of them however you wish to, like for example, snooze length. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!